Hello and welcome back to Decuplication. Today you're going to learn about program anatomy in Java. Example program, public class practice, public static void main string args, system.out.println, hello. Throughout this video you'll learn what each and every line in this piece of code means. Review, Java files end with .java. The part before the .java should be the name after public class in your code. For example, the file name was practice.java. Compile like Java-C file name. From the example code, Java-C practice.java. Run like Java class name. From the example code, you would run Java practice. This is important. When you're compiling, you do the .java, but when you run, you don't do the .java. Anatomy of example program. / example. This is a comment. This is notes about the intent of the code. Intent is different than what the code is doing. Say what you're accomplishing by adding 1 to X, don't just say that you're doing it. There was a blank line between the comment and the public class practice line. This adds no functionality, but can make the code easier to read. Class header keywords, public class practice, is the class header and the beginning of the class definition. For now, class is just a place to hold your code. Public, known as access specifier. The code within this class can be accessed both inside and outside of this file. Class indicates the start of a class. Practice, name of the class that was provided by the programmer. In general, this should be named with Pascal case like this. Uppercase, and then the separation between words is also uppercase. Class header keywords continue. You can only have one public class definition for a Java file. You can have multiple non-public class definitions in a file. After the class header, you have a left curly brace, and on the last line, you have a right curly brace. Every class should be surrounded by an opening left brace and a closing right brace. In my opinion, and I preface as my opinion because this is a stylistic choice you have to make for yourself, I like to do my braces on a new line like so. Public class practice, new line, left brace, your code, and then a new line and then right brace. Method header and keywords. Public static void main string args is a method header, the beginning of a method. A static method is a function that can be called without a bleep existing. A function is a collection of code that you give a name that potentially has inputs and outputs. Every Java program starts with a code in your main method. Like with the class, every method should be surrounded by an opening left brace and a closing right brace. And I still have this same stylistic opinion when it comes to the braces. Void means that the method returns nothing. Public, in this context, it means you can access the method both inside and outside of the class. The print method, system.out.println, hello, prints hello to the screen. Hello is a string literal because it is literally in your code. There's a semicolon at the end of the line. Semicolon rules. Semicolons finish thoughts. Class definitions and methods are started and terminated with curly braces, so no semicolons. Conditionals and loops are similar in this regard, so no semicolons there either. Ciao.